Two shots for $5.
Go right down the middle. All the way down.
Almost, man. You want to play the next? Nobody? $5. $5, $50. They get $50. Use your money.
It's fair? It's fair? I believe in the proof, man.
Yeah, many times.
It's touches. If you need perfectly, you can get the $50. It's easy. Yeah. One more shot, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Like this proof. It's not your fault. If you are perfect, so yeah. Let's go. You have two shots. Is it the rules? Oh, yeah. No, it's the rules. Knock down 3 bottles before the ball touch anything.
It doesn't count if it comes from the knee of the ball. Okay, it does not need to.
Almost.
Yeah, one more shot.
Yeah, one more shot, man. Let's go.
Almost.
Yeah, you know where people are on that? No, man. You have your
I have to tell somebody about this puzzle here today. I'm nobody. I was sitting here and these guys showed up, right? So they put 3 bottles of water, like pins, like bowling.
Yeah.
Now, this can never, ever, ever be done.
Why is that?
In the history of mankind, this can't be reached. The pin in the back has to be in front so that all 3 can topple down. And they say no back.
Right.
That just happened.
Right.
The guy got it.
Yeah.
But no back. Oh,
Interesting.
Can't have that. You can never ever accomplish this. You can stay here all night, man. This will never be done.
Wow.
You know, the backsplash, yes. It's in front.
Yeah.
You put it in the back. Anybody with half a brain that has anything to do with mathematics, numbers.
Probably physics.
If you're not done, all of them in the same time,
Cannot be
you will
cannot
pay
be done.
$50, guys.
It's like golf.
It's funny.
It can never. It's a game that can never be won. It can just be played. This, you could play it all night, and it will never happen. Never. I guarantee you. And if I'm wrong, good. I want somebody to do this tonight. I love that idea of somebody doing this tonight. Good. Because that proves me wrong. I can't remember. I was gonna give him $5. Maybe I should, just for as a fluke. But he says no lifting, so I could lift the ball right in the middle of the three and put him right out. But no lifting. See? Right on the ground rolling. Now you can do it. And the miraculous rolling, very slow, and then the one comes up, bang, bang, boom. Yes.
There was a guy that made it spin, and it very slowly.
Yeah, 10 shots, so $50, right?
We have one more shot, man.
It seems that most of them are kicking it relatively fast.
But the pin is in the front. See, look at the crowd. They got a nice crowd, man.
Yeah.
They're gonna make good money.
Oh yeah.
Probably several $100s.
What are they doing?
Okay, man. Just want you to know.
Yeah.
It can't be reached. If somebody does it, it's a slow roll.
With a spin.
We'll knock them down with a spin. Yeah.
Yeah, it was too fast.
Yeah. The fast ones, it just hits and because you have to go around they call it okay, let's see if I want to see somebody do it. And it bounced back. I had a chance to knock that third one down.
You can do it. Good here.
Geometry. You know what? I'm gonna blow $5.
Yeah, it makes it almost impossible.
Yeah, the level. Yeah, the how. And if it touches one, it goes the other way. Yeah. It's all close.
We have one more shot.
One, two. Okay. So what? One or two balls are gonna fall down. 3, no. Oh, see? That's for too fast. You gotta push it. Like I don't know if you can use your hand. There's no lifting, so just push it right in between them, and just hope for that, just that bounce. But it's very gentle. It's very, very sensitive. Very sensitive game. The gambler will lose his shit. The gambler will lose his shit here. I did see somebody spending $50 like me, just to prove a point, just to prove that I did it. The odds are like phenomenal. Wow. The ball is off balance anyways. It's not perfectly balanced. No way. Unless it's pre-approved. Those standards are more like the lottery right here. Balls are fucking balanced 100%.
Oh my goodness, that was so close.
A little slower, You would have got it. This is a slow game that will win. I want to see somebody do it, man. It's not about
This guy
the
almost
money.
had it.
Yeah, it's not about the money. Now he's gonna bank on this. They all see that it can be done. Now people are gonna fucking jump in and watch. They want somebody to win now. Right now, good time. They got the crowd. The people go, oh wow, he just did it. I can do it too, man. I'm not gonna have to do it. Just because. Okay, here's $5. Well spent. I have 10,000 lives, hundreds of millions of children. now they're making their money now. Look at this crowd. 50 people. 60, 70 people here. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah, see that? He just looks like me, right? Had a couple too many drinks. I gotta do this. I gotta do it. Hey, if you know your enemy, you know the puzzle, why would you fucking do it? I'm gonna give them $5 because I feel sorry for them. Maybe that's it. I don't know. 2 hits.
Oh.
That was a bounce back. Bounce back. Fuck, dude, they're gonna make some money here. 2 hits, $5. So what? They're making what, 20, 30 bucks an hour right now? Who's gonna be the next? The next.
Ryan, it's only $5. You may win $50.
Right on, man.
I have 2 chances.
I think it's possible. With a slow roll. I want somebody to do the slow roll. Just dead center slow roll. I don't know. Yeah, the fast way is not good. I want to see someone do it, man. I don't want it to be me either. Everyone takes a shot and then they leave.
Only $5. You may need $50.
See? They're just lining it up, man. It's $15. They're making about 40, 50 bucks an hour right now. They haven't paid out anybody. It's all straight up cash. So 50 to 100 bucks so far.
Only $5. You may need $50.
I don't know if inflation matters. I would think so.
I have 2 chances.
It's very
for
hard. I
$5.
think okay, this ball's really hard. So they inflated it. Maybe that has something to do with it. I don't know. See, it's really hard. Wow. Very hard. Light. Hard. Begin with a real slow.
Only $5. If you have $5, you can make it 50. You have 2 chances for $5.
I will blow $5, man. I just got to. Why not? $5. What?
Are you good at soccer?
I'm a sucker, yes. I'm a sucker. No good at soccer though. But I'm a sucker. Hey, let's go.
Oh, got it.
Hey, fast shot. You did it. Right on. Now what? Here's the trap. Here's the trap. Everyone's gonna line up now. Look.
People
Because
do
now
that.
it can be done. It can be done. Yeah. Right on, man. I'm sure. Hey, how do we know this is like 1 in
Wow,
1
you just
millionth
put up.
try? Hey, 1 in 1 millionth. You know? 1 in a million. It just happened to work.
Wow.
We're gonna make good tonight. Oh, yeah. Woo! $5, make it hot on $5, $5 look.